Hi everyone, in this video I will teach you how to use the quotient rule in differentiation. I only have two examples here for you, so let's start with this example. By the way, before I show you the example, I just want to let you know that there's a formula for the quotient rule, just like the product rule. So here it says that we just need to find the derivative of the first function and then multiply that by the derivative of the second function minus the first function multiplied by the derivative of the second function divided by the square of the second function. So for example, we have this 2 and we need to find this. Alright, so since we already have the f and the g function, let's find the derivative of the f function, which is 2. The derivative of the g function, which is negative 8x. So now that we have those two, we just need to substitute everything using the formula. So this is 2 times g, which is negative 4x squared, minus f, that's 2x plus 1, times the derivative of g, which is negative 8x, all over negative 4x square. So this is negative 8x squared minus negative 16x squared, so that's this, minus 8x, all over 16, negative 4 squared is 16, x raised to 4. Alright, so let's get rid of that parenthesis. So negative 8x squared plus 16 x squared plus 8x. Alright, all over 16x raised to 4. Okay, we can combine these two. That's 8x squared plus 8x all over 16x raised to 4. Now you notice that each term, the coefficients, they are all divisible by 8, so we need to divide all of them by 8. And at the same time, another common factor is the x. So it's just 8x. That's the common factor, all of the three terms. So that means we need to divide each by 8x. So you always have to do that every time you have an answer that is a fraction. Make sure it's in simplified form. So 8x squared divided by 8x is equal to x. Right? 8 divided by 8 is 1. X squared divided by x is x. Then 8x divided by 8x is just 1 over 16 divided by 8 is 2. And then x raised to 4 divided by x is x raised to 3. So there you go. That's our final answer. Let's go to the second and last example. Again here, first step is we need to find the derivative of the f term, which is, or f function rather, negative 3. The derivative of the g function, which is 6 x squared. Alright, now using the formula, this is negative 3 times the g, it's 2x raised to 3 plus 1 minus negative 3x times the derivative of the g function, 6x squared, divided by 2x raised to 3 plus 1 square. Alrighty, so let's simplify this. Negative 6x raised to 3 minus 3. Alright, okay, let's combine these two first. That's negative 18x raised to 3. That'll be plus because of this. So plus 18x raised to 3 all over 2x raised to 3 plus 1 square. And of course, our final answer is, simplify this, combine the two. Negative 6 plus 18 is 12. X raised to 3 minus 3 all over 2x raised to 3 plus 1 square. There you go.